Dear brothers and sisters, in our continuing catechesis on the Jubilee theme of Christ our hope, we reflect today on the presence of the risen Christ as an unfailing source of hope in our daily lives. Whether we are experiencing moments of joy and serenity, or struggling to overcome the suffering caused by difficulty and pain, the human heart unceasingly longs for fullness and contentment. The proclamation of the Easter message stands as a sure anchor. Love has conquered sin forever, and life triumphs over death. Jesus, who is now alive forever and ever, promises to be with us always. His presence fills our lives with meaning, and we discover that our yearning for eternity is not only justified, but is now within our reach. Let us ask the risen Lord to help us to recognize His presence in every circumstance, and so experience the victory of Easter in our daily lives. I extend a warm welcome this morning to all the English-speaking pilgrims and visitors taking part in today's audience, especially those coming from England, Ireland, Angola, Kenya, Nigeria, Tanzania, Australia, China, Hong Kong, Indonesia, Japan, Malaysia, the Philippines, Canada, and the United States of America. During the month of November, we pray in particular for the eternal repose of the faithful departed. May the risen Lord show them His mercy, and may the hope brought by our faith in the resurrection keep our eyes and our hearts turned towards the joy of heaven. God bless you all.
And we heard the Holy Father offer a summary of his catechesis in English and greet all of the English-speaking faithful and pilgrims who've come for today's audience.